Hi, I'm Cunliffe, the owner of Mortgage Choice here in Brisbane City. More than 20 years I've been doing one thing, and that is helping Australians buy property. In that time, I've personally arranged over $2 billion worth of loans for people buying property all over Australia. But the number I'm most proud of is the families where I've helped mum and dad buy their home and then helped their kids buy their home. And now I'm lucky enough to even be sitting across the table from grandkids in the preparation of them buying their homes. 3 generations of the same family trusting us with the biggest financial decision of their life. That doesn't happen by accident. It doesn't happen because we save them 0.5% on the interest rate. It happens because we get the strategy right and build trust along the way. Here's what I see every week. People walk into a bank, they get told the bank's offer and think that's the only option for them. Or alternatively, they jump online and get bombarded with rate comparisons and end up more confused than they did when they started. The mortgage is usually your biggest financial commitment that you'll make. It can tie your cash flow up for 25 or 30 years. And most Australians are making that decision with one hand tied behind their back based on what's in front of them, not what's actually right for them. Having a home loan can cost you hundreds and hundreds of thousands of dollars, and most people are not even aware. At Mortgage Choice, we work with over 35 lenders. Small banks, big banks, and specialist lenders that people have never even heard of. But access isn't the difference. Everyone says that. The difference is how we work. We start by understanding you, your goals, your timeline, your cash flow, the things that keep you up at night, not just your payslip and your deposit. Then we build a strategy around you and match it to a lender that actually fits, not the one that's going to pay us the highest commission. Here's the part that most brokers skip. We don't disappear. Year after year, we review your loan and continually make sure that the current lender that you're with is the right match for you and your goals that you're moving towards. Because the lender that was right for you last year may not be the lender that's right for you next year. Rates change, your circumstances change, your loan should keep up with you. That ongoing relationship is why we end up working with the next generation of the same family. Now here's exactly what happens when you work with us. Step 1, a discovery call. This is a 15-minute chat of where we understand where you're at and where you want to go. No jargon, no spreadsheets, no obligation, just a conversation. Step 2, the strategy session. Now here's where we will get you to send us a bit of information and map out your options across our lender panel. Here's where we'll show you in plain English the true dollars and cents and what it means for you. Not just the rate, but also the structure, the features, the flexibility, and the exit costs. Step 3, application and approval. This is where most people get lost, not with us. We handle the paperwork, the back and forth with the lender, valuations, the conveyancer coordination, the broker to bank chasing up. You stay informed at every step. We do the heavy lifting. Step 4, settlement and beyond. We're with you right the way through until you get the keys in your hand. And then every year after that, we review your loan to make sure that it's still the right fit. If a better deal becomes available, we'll tell you. And if your circumstances have changed, we adjust. That's how we earn the right to be your broker for life, not just one transaction. We work with first home buyers nervous about getting into the market. We work with families upgrading to a bigger home or moving to a suburb that's closer to a certain school. We work with investors building property portfolios. We work with self-employed clients, which banks normally make jump through all sorts of hoops. And we also work with people refinancing their loans, sometimes saving them tens of thousands of dollars across the life of the loan. Whatever stage you're at, we probably already helped someone in the exact same position you are, and we're happy to walk you through what that looked like. 3 generations of families helped, over $2 billion worth of loans arranged, hundreds of families around Australia in homes that they just didn't think they could buy, or refinance into positions they just did not know were possible. That's what 20 years of doing this properly looks like. Thinking about buying, refinancing, or just want to know what your options look like, book a 15-minute call below. No pressure, no cost, no obligation, just a straight, honest conversation about your options. I'd love to help you the way that I've helped so many other Australians before you.